Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create this glamorous Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you all want to know how I got this, then please continue watching. For today's makeup look, I'm using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette by Petra. I'm going to take this pink shade called Honeymoon and start blending this on my crease. And the brush I'm using is from PAC. I recently bought PAC series brush set and it has got 8 brushes. And they're just perfect to create any eye look. I'm trying to keep this color on the outer area, and whatever is left on my brush, I'm taking that towards my inner corner. The next shade I'm taking is this Candy Apple shade. This is a reddish pink shade and I'm packing it and blending it on the outer third of my eye. This is more of an intense color and you will see how beautiful both the shades will look together. And the brush I'm using is from Wet n Wild. And again I went to the first shade Honeymoon and just blending everything out. And now I'm stamping the shade I Am Shook with the help of a PAC brush. This brush is again from the PAC series brush set. If you are looking for a good quality brush set, then I'm going to mention the link from where you can buy this brush set. And now I'm taking the shade All Black Cherry and I'm just going to give some touch of this color on my lid area. And on my lower waterline I've used Sugar Brown Kohl. It is called Brown Eyed Girl. And just before applying the mascara, I'm just curling my lashes and I'm applying Maybelline Colossal mascara onto my lashes and making sure that every single lash is coated. And I'm using Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation and I'm in the shade Radiant Beige. This is a beautiful foundation, guys. It is quite a full coverage foundation. I mean, I have acne marks on my face, so I need some more of foundation and concealer to hide them perfectly. Otherwise, it's a great foundation. It's neither dewy nor matte. It's a demi-matte foundation. And it stays for long, so it's perfect for this wedding season when you have to wear your foundation for 5 to 6 hours. And even if you have to wear your foundation beyond 5 to 7 hours, it's a perfect long wearing foundation. And for the concealer, I'm using PAC Takecover concealer, and if you guys have watched my previous videos, you would know that how much I love this concealer. And I'm just hiding all my imperfections with the help of this concealer. And now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade medium, and I'm just setting my concealer and foundation with the help of this powder. This foundation feels a little tacky, so I just want to make sure that I set it with the help of a loose powder. And I'm very gently with the help of a beauty sponge setting my foundation with this. And now I'm using Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio. This is in the shade medium to deep, and I'm using a contour shade from this and contouring my face. And for bronzer, I'm using Sugar Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder and just giving some dimension to my entire face. Otherwise, it's going to look very flat and pale. For that natural flush look, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose. For the highlight, I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm going to highlight my usual areas just to give some glow to my face. After all, it's a Valentine's Day makeup look, and we just cannot miss on to our highlighters. For the lip liner, I'm using Maybelline lip liner in the shade Pink Coral. The lipstick I'm using today is from L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Rambling Rose. I think it's a perfect color to complement my eye look. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. And please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I'll be uploading a video in future. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next. Till then, keep smiling, stay positive. Bye.